Hello everyone, I'm Giuseppe Mammano, welcome back. Today we are going to paint an eye. Alright, let's start this painting, and I start from the pupil. And I use the darkest color that I can achieve with my palette. And to make that one, I'm gonna use ultramarine blue and burnt umber, half and half, and give you a very, very dark color similar to black. I'm gonna put some of this dark color around the iris, and now start paint inside the iris with some brown and make the top of the iris darker. That's the picture that I took of myself. Now the white of the eye, that is never white. I usually mix it with some blue or some other color. Because if you look a picture of an eye and you really look into, the white of the eyes is never like completely white. Now, I'm start painting the eyelid, but before that let's talk about mixing. I'm gonna get here some mixing. I'm gonna start with cadmium orange, cadmium red, burnt umber, a touch of blue, and this is gonna be one of my dark color. So we have a very dark color like black, the second one, and now this is gonna be my middle tone. I'm gonna mix some cadmium red, yellow ochre, and some white. And now I'm gonna mix my highlights with red, yellow, and white. So this is gonna be my color. They're gonna paint this eye, especially in the first coat. Now in the second coat, I'm probably gonna change every color. Example, if I'm gonna use a middle tone, I'm gonna change the tone. If I wanna add more red, more yellow, it's gonna be more dark or more light. So for now, the color they're gonna use in this first stage, they're gonna be the three that I just showed you on the mixing. Now, every skin tone gonna be different. In this case, that's what I use. And the first coat, I really don't care if my color are perfect, because I'm trying always to get a little bit darker with my color in the first coat and go with a lighter tone in the second coat. Now, I don't know if this is the right way to paint an eye, but this is what worked for me the best. Now, as usually do, I'm trying to get this first coat of paint, so I'm not gonna try to don't get a lot on the details. And this is the second coat. I wait a day and it's dry, and now I come back and start putting different color and pay attention on the forms, because I know that right now doesn't look very good, but it will at the end. I always look at my picture, and as I say, I don't put a lot of details, but here I am, because sometimes put a couple details, it kind of make me feel more, kind of make me realize if I'm in the right path or not on a painting, even if after I'm gonna paint on top of that, and at the end I put back the highlights and details. So everything I'm doing here, like you see me paint some eyebrow, but I know that like now this is another, I think this was day 3, it was dry. I kind of put more paint all on top, put more highlights, I kind of start all over, change my tone of my color. Remember that this was for me a painting study, so I really want to see how I can get with my details, and maybe after do a portrait, learn from this and get better. Now I start to really put the last details on the eye. You see how couple little brush stroke, and this is almost pure white, still not pure white, but you can see how the eye now seems alive. More I go far with the painting, and more you can see that my brush are smaller. And all my detail get more precise, and I pay more attention to everything that I do. Because at this point I try to do every little mark, try to be perfect, because it's almost the end on the painting. I speed up now the process and the video. You see the palette. I use the same color. I have a dark color, a middle tone, and highlights. Sometimes I modify the color, make it more dark, more red, more saturated or not. Make my life a little bit more easy. To get all this detail on this painting, what I was doing was really look at my picture and get every little detail that I could see on the picture and just put it there. See the color like I'm doing now. I'm putting all the highlights on these little parts of this painting, and but I know that every highlights there is a shadow. So now you can see that I come back with some dark and put it around the highlights. You can see how it looks like, almost real in 3D. And now here is the best part of the painting. I'm finished a couple details. I put a lot of layers on this painting, on this study. I'm very happy. I will use this on a future painting. Portrait. That's what you gotta do for be better, a better painter. Study a little tree to make a beautiful landscape. Alright guys, we are done for today. Thank you for watching. I have a lot of fun. I hope you guys too. Please subscribe my channel for more video like this. If you want to see more video, I will post a video right here. I have a lot of different video, oil paint, acrylic paint, murals, and much more. Check my website at giuseppemammanoart.com. If you have any question, leave a comment below and I will try to do my best to answer you. I'll see you soon. Ciao.